Hey, what's up? Papa Missouri here, guys. Today, day 9 of the first 25 days of Christmas. So, we've made 8 amazing products. Today, we're going to make something that's not really Christmas related, but it could be a Christmas gift for that coffee lover out there in your family. It's a little coffee coaster. It looks like a doily, to be honest with you. If you've ever been here, it is. And it says coffee in the middle. It's got the intricate lace design on there, a little ribbon around it. It's not going to come out blue. That's just the engrave. And so this is what we're going to make today. It takes about 8.5 minutes. It's 3.42 inches by 3 round. Yeah, 3.42 inches by 3.42 inches round. So you can figure that one out. So it's 3.4 inches round. But again, 8 minutes is what this one's going to take. Laser, is he going to talk today? Guess not. Guess not. Still not very talkative. Let's frame it up. Make sure it's going to fit where we want to go with it. Here we go. Hope you guys are enjoying this series. I'm having a blast with it, guys. As always, let's see if we can get this baby started. pick it up out of there and not make a mess. I'm feeling it's going to. Very, very intricate. Hopefully I don't break it trying to get it out of there. Go. Yeah. So there are the pieces. All of these little pieces will pop out of here. On those should just a little bit of persuasion. So of course you're going to be a little bit harder than others. But if you're liking this content, make sure to go down there, hit that like, subscribe, ring that bell notification. Make sure you comment down below for your chance to win this beautiful wood lace coffee doily. Maybe grandma drinks coffee, maybe mom drinks coffee. It isn't even a Christmas gift, really. So it's any time gift. So just because. Maybe you own a coffee shop out there and you're looking for just little bitty trinkets to offer to your customers. Do that. A little bit more to go, then we can finally show you the finished piece. As long as I don't stab myself in the finger first. Let's hope not. So far, so good. On both parts here. Okay, nothing's broke yet. Nothing's broken. I haven't stabbed myself yet, so that's a plus. There we go. Not too many more here. Very tedious piece. I didn't think about that when I said that this is what we're going to make, so bear with us here. Hope you guys are liking the series. I am really, really enjoying it. If we do it next year, we won't do it starting in December. We'll do it starting in November. That way we can get all this stuff out by Christmas. So there's the finished piece. I think that's just awesome. We'll do a clear coat over top of it, and then we'll show you this in the next video. So guys, if you want to win this beautiful coffee doily wooden coaster, make sure to like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and comment down below. Make sure you comment on all the videos. You have a chance to win whatever we make in each video. One winner per video. And we'll do that on about the 28th of December. We'll do a live and see who wins all these. So guys, as always, be newbie, doing good things for everybody, and we'll see you later. Bye.